Wrist, fingers, elbows, Vidita, full circle, reverse, open and close, twist, hands straight if you have the space, otherwise elbow bend. Again, move from your shoulder and your rib cage, don't move your pelvic. Neck rotation, reverse, up and down, left to right, tip, left to right, side to side. Protraction, retraction. Hip rotation. Only hip, no shoulder. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay. Using the wall for leg swing and leg drive. Both the toes facing the wall. Both the foot facing the wall. Leg swing, leg drive. Very good. Big inhale, lengthen your spine. Cat in the cow. Standing position, cat in the cow. You can do it from the floor as well. Cat in the cow. Watch me here, dosto. Inhale, ribcage open, chest open, pelvic open in anterior. Watch me here. And then you go for forward bend. Point your body weight on your toes and lock your knees, feel the hamstring. Activate the hamstring. One. Exhale. Inhale, go down. Exhale, down. Look forward, never look down. Show me from the side angle, Radha. Thank you so much. Priya, you have to create a nice arch in your spine and then go. Yes, much better. Body weight on your toes. Body weight on your toes. Very good. Everyone will hold in 3, 2, 1. Go find your best distance. Feel the muscles active. Vinita, lock your knees. Rajesh ji, toes, body weight आगे लाओ. Hold it for 10. Himanshu, body weight आगे लाओ. 7. Very good, Radha. अच्छा है. 6. Knees lock, knees lock. 5. 4. Body weight on your toes. Everyone, spine straight. Knees lock. Vinita, knees lock नहीं हुए पूरे. Lock करो knees को. Knees lock करो. और lock होगा Vinita. Second leg. Right leg is not locked. 4. 3, 2, and 1. Rest it up. चलिए shake your legs. ध्यान से देखिए. Open your toes as much as you can. Not in front of the camera, but sideways. Go down here. And if this is good, you go. If you can keep your forearms on the floor, keep pushing with it. अभी knees आगे आते हैं, इनको पीछे बना के रखेंगे. Keep pushing the knee towards the wall. And then push your hips down. Let's go. 10, 9. More distance between the heels, Himanshu. 7, 6, 5. Open your toes more. It's not 90-degree. Himanshu, nice. Rajesh ji, nice. Vinita, nice. Priya, nice. Purnima, more opening of the foot. Archana, more opening of the foot. And Dada, I can't see your legs. Chali, 5, 4, much better, Purnima. 3, 2, 1. And come back into the floor. Priya, open your legs. Right? Again, my knees, I'm pushing the knee towards the floor. You can use your hand to press it as well. Knee pushing the floor. Now we go one act. Open. Then the second. Open. 90. 1, 2. Every single time you're opening the knee, you try to push the knee towards the floor. You want to touch the knee to the floor. Okay? 6, 7, 8. If you want to do it without the hand, you do it without the hand. 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7. Very good, Rana. Touch both the knees on the floor. Very good. 6. Touch it. Very good. 5, 4, 3. Both the knees touching the floor. Priya, touch both the knees on the floor. Yes. 2. And 1. Touch it out. Relax. चलिए ध्यान से देखिए दोस्तों. Those who can go straight spine straddle will do the straddle. Those who still don't have a straight spine straddle will go for the frog pose. Okay. So if you can go pelvic open with the straight spine. With the straight spine. I want you to try this. 6, 5. Okay. If this is not happening right now, the spine is hunching like this. You go for the frog. This is like a cat and cow, but with the knees open. Right? Cat and cow. And push your hip back. Cat and cow. And hip back. The goal is to touch the hip on the floor. Right now, my hips are touching the floor. Okay? चलिए. I'll give you a minute here. हिप और पीछे आएगा हिमांशु. हिप को नीज के पीछे लेके जाने की कोशिश करेंगे. Try to bring your hip in line with the knee or even further back if you can. Foot open, yes. Vinita, toes pointed. Vinita, you have the flexibility. Work on the strength. So, those who can open nicely have the full range as well. Try using without the wall. So, hands behind would be a good idea. Hands on the hip will be an easier idea. And this will be spicy. Okay? Another thing that you can do is this. Bring a block. Go down as much as you can. Hold the hand, full extension of the shoulders, and you go down. 1. As deep as you can go. 2. Keeping the hands behind the ear. This is going to be spicy. Okay? Go for it. Pick your level and go. Toes pointed towards the floor. Toes are touching. Very good. Vinita, abhi spine curve ho raha hai. Block low, full extension do. Rajesh ji, for you as well. If you have the full range, use the block and full extension. Purnima, you also have a good split. Bring a block. Block low. This is too easy for you, Purnima. Let's go, Archana. I'm watching. Archana, हाथ आगे नहीं आना चाहिए. If you're keeping like this, watch it. If you're going for the spicy version, everyone, you won't be able to go all the way down. It's difficult, right? What you're looking for a good alignment. So my legs are fully locked, muscles are engaged, my spine engaged, full extension, right? Even if I'm getting this movement, you will feel the spiciness of it. You know, you feel it. It's difficult here. So even if you're getting this range, this is good. Try to go 1 inch at a time. You know. Let's see. If you're doing the spicy one, हाथ पीछे नहीं आना चाहिए पूर्णिमा. हाथ पीछे नहीं, हाथ कान के पीछे. हाथ आगे नहीं आना चाहिए. हाथ कान के पीछे दोस्तों. Hands behind your ear. चलिए होल्ड करेंगे एवरीवन इन 3, 2, 1. Find your biggest depth and hold. Find the best stretch. Find the best spot and hold. टोज पॉइंटेड राजेश जी. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. हंस नहीं करो पूर्णिमा जी, आप हंस कर लेते हो. 3, पेल्विक ओपन रखो, स्पाइन सीधा रखो. 2, इट्स डिफिकल्ट आई नो, बट दैट्स द नेक्स्ट थिंग फॉर यू. आपका स्प्लिट पूरा खुलता है पूर्णिमा. दैट मीन्स यू हैव फुल रेंज ऑफ मोशन. बट आप विदाउट हैंड नहीं जा पा रहे हो. दैट मीन्स द मसल्स आर not so strong. We need to work on the strength of the muscles, you know. The flexibility is there, but we need more strength, you know. पाँव को थोड़ा क्लोज करो और फिर जाने की कोशिश करो. You will feel it better. थोड़ा क्लोज रखो, हाँ. 80% ही ओपन रखो जितना होता है. अभी जाओ, टोस पॉइंट करो, मसल लॉक करो, पाँव के मसल्स लॉक करो. Why are you not able to go deep? The reason is because you are not using your leg muscles really tight. Now, this exercise, I want you all to do it because this is very important for the handstand as well. When you go into the handstand, when you release the leg, the muscle needs to be really tight, very engaged. How do we check it or how do we prep it? Is on the floor. Let me give you this one. Watch it. So you come here. You can keep your hands behind, that's okay. You can keep your hands straight, spine straight here. Okay. Now from here, I want you to point your muscles really sharp, 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 until you start feeling the cramp here, start feeling the cramp on the calf, start feeling the cramp on the foot. Just keep pointing it, pointing it, pointing it until you don't feel the calf, uh, the contraction really, really spicy, and then you hold it. Okay, you keep doing it, doing it, doing it, doing it, doing it until you feel the cramps. Okay, चलो 30 seconds. जब तक क्रैम्प नहीं आएगा आप पॉइंट करते जाएंगे. जब तक क्रैम्प नहीं आएगा तब तक आप पॉइंट करेंगे. जब क्रैम्प आएगा वहां से 10 काउंट होल्ड करेंगे. ठीक है, चलिए लेट्स सी. क्रैम्प आना ही चाहिए दोस्तों. पॉइंट पॉइंट पूर्णिमा पॉइंट. दूर लेके जाओ, दोनों टोस को उस कोने में और उस कोने में टच करना है, ऐसा सोचो.
Okay, sir.
आर यू फीलिंग द क्रैम्प?
हाँ.
Then hold it there. Hold the cramp. Very good. Priya, if you're smiling, you're not doing the best. I want to see this expression. Chalo, 10. Give your best. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. How many of you really felt the cramp? ईमानदारी से. राजेश जी felt it. अर्चना felt it. विनीता? No. नहीं आया, और जान लगाना पड़ेगा. राधा? नो. हिमांशु? नो. पूर्णिमा, डिड यू फेल्ट इट? यू फेल्ट इट. प्रिया, डिड यू फेल्ट इट? नो. You need more work on this one. You need or Jan, the raise, it needs to open a little more when you start feeling the cramp. Okay, if the stiffness is too much, you won't feel the cramp. Or if you're too flexible but not strong, you know, you won't feel the cramp. One more exercise. This will be for the core as well. At the same time, we can work on the contraction of the legs as well. Watch it. This is simple leg raises, huh? But the idea is to keep the leg really straight. Watch it. Really straight. You see the leg is really straight, right? Straight like a arrow. And then you open this side. 1, 2, give me 10 of these. 3 without bending it. There should no bend here. Okay? Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Straight. Outside. 1, 2, 3. You can come reversal. 1, 2. The leg should not bend. 3, and you have to go for a bigger circle. Chalo. Again, aim for the cramps. Aim for the cramp. चलो, टो पॉइंटेड लेग स्ट्रेट. नहीं हिमांशु, लेग में बेंड दिख रहा है मुझे. हाँ, ये अच्छा था. पाव में बेंड नहीं होना चाहिए. नीस पे बेंड नहीं होना चाहिए. विनीता, हाथ हटाओ. डोंट कीप योर हैंड नेक्स्ट टू द हिप. डू यू फील द क्रैम्प? दैट्स द की. विनीता, योर्स लुकिंग रियली गुड. राजेश जी गुड. अर्चना गुड. प्रिया गुड. राधा और स्ट्रेट होगा. हिमांशु और स्ट्रेट होगा. लेट्स सी पूर्णिमा. ना, गुड जॉब. 80%. I can see 80% contraction. I don't see 100% contraction. Any one of you feeling the cramp? Raise your hand. Not feeling the cramp.
सर ये लास्ट में आया, मतलब लास्ट में जब
Last में आया.
like
After 30-40 seconds, you start to feel it. चलिए, leg change everyone. Switch your leg. Go to the other leg. Aim for 6 to 8 clockwise, 6 to 8 anti-clockwise. Yes, Priya?
I can feel everything else.
Chalo, at least the feeling is there. We will go one more for this one. I want you to experience this contraction part. Chale, 10, 9, don't rest your leg every single circle. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Last one, watch it, dosto. You can use a chair or you can use the wall. Watch me. If you're using the wall like this, point your toes facing the wall. The toe should facing the wall, okay? Don't go for external rotation, internal rotation, okay? From here, don't lean down too much. Keep your upper body still. Go up all the way as much as you can and hold it. You will feel it in your side of this, but I want you to feel this part. You have to hold it here for 30 counts. If you're using the chair, here, the toe this time will face the camera. Don't open it this way. Facing the camera. Lift up, as high as you can, facing the camera and hold it here. I want no bend here. Okay? You can keep it here, but with maximum contraction. Remember what we are trying to do is, we want to engage the muscle really hard. So when you release the leg in the handstand, they stick together. They don't bend. You don't feel heavy. Chale dosto. We start 30 seconds. Let's go with the right leg first. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Point, left, hold. Internal rotation, toe facing the camera. Vinita, internal rotation, the toe should not face the sky. Yes. 10. Facing the wall if you're using the wall. If you're using the chair in front of me, facing the camera. Very good. Jaan lagao, 10 more counts. The goal is 1 minute. We are doing 30 today. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. How many of you felt it now? This is the third exercise. You should felt it now. You should feel it. Okay. Cool. Chale, shake your legs. Chale, we go to the other side in 3, 2, 1. Lift, point, internal rotation, hold. Jitna high, go as high as you can and hold. Make it the spiciest rep. Toes point, Radha, point. Yes, more. Very good. 10, 9, more height, Priya. 90-degree minimum, 8. Vinita, very good. 7, 6, 90-degree in line with your hip if you can hold it. You will feel the burn. 3, 2, and 1. Vinita, you should aim for a minute. You're really good, huh? Nice. Shake your legs, everyone. Now, everyone feel it. Everyone feel it. Right? That's how engaged your muscle should be when you release the leg. We will go to that level today in the class later. But do you understand the concept? When you release the leg needs to be that strong. When you release, they don't feel heavy. Rajesh, Himanshu, especially for you because you're releasing the legs. Vinita, for you as well. You're at this stage where you need more balance time. Now you have every element, right? So when you release the legs, they needs to be really strong. So they stick on top of the hip. चलिए, let's go for the core, दोस्तों. ध्यान से देखिए. Here, engage and hold here. Full extension of the hand. The hand should not come here. Behind you. Okay. 1 minute. Hollow body hold. Engage as much as you can with your upper body only. Nobody goes for the straight leg. कोई भी स्ट्रेट लेग के लिए नहीं जाएगा. कीप योर लेग्स बेंड, फुट ऑन द फ्लोर. जितना भी जान लगाना है अपर बॉडी से एंगेज करो. Engage your upper body as much as you can. We start. Wait, Rajesh ji. We start in 5. Everyone together, we aim for a minute here. Purnima, full extension of the hand. Full extension of the hand. Purnima,
हम्म.
आप प्लीज वैसा करो जैसा मैंने आपको करके दिखाया है. हाथ कान के पीछे रखो, फुल एक्सटेंशन करो और अपर बॉडी को लिफ्ट करो. हाथ आगे नहीं आना चाहिए, हाथ पीछे रहना चाहिए.
ठीक है.
लॉक रखो हाथ में चाहिए तो. चलिए. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. एंगेज एंड होल्ड. हाथ आगे आ रहा है राधा. मुझे कान दिखने चाहिए साइड से. हाँ, वेरी गुड. आई शुड बी एबल टू सी योर ईयर्स दोस्तों. अर्चना, आई कैन सी योर ईयर्स. हाथ नीचे लो. यस. 15 seconds. You do it right, it's very spicy दोस्तों and very effective for your handstands. 25 seconds. 30. Halfway there. Stay, stay, stay. Inhale short, exhale long. Those who can inhale through your mouth, nose, exhale through your mouth. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Stay with me. Nobody gives up. Nobody gives up. Radha, no. 10 more, 10 more, 10 more. Very good, very good, very good, very good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest it out. चलिए ट्विस्टिंग लगा लीजिए. बोथ द लेग्स राइट टू लेफ्ट. एवरीवन फेल्ट इट. ऑलराइट, चलिए शोल्डर ओपनिंग लगाएंगे दोस्तों. आ जाइए. ब्रिंग द चेयर और अ बेंच, व्हाटएवर इज हैंडी. The first exercise is the traditional shoulder opening exercise that I practice in every class. एज पे रखेंगे, हाथ सीधा रखेंगे, शोल्डर ओपन करेंगे. As much as you can, 20 swings, then anterior and posterior, 10 times. जितना नीच पीछे लेके जाएंगे उतना डिफिकल्ट होता जाएगा. चलिए. एवरीवन नोज दिस वन राइट. सबको आता है ये. पिछली क्लास में भी किया था. हर प्रैक्टिस में करते हैं हम. वेरी गुड. वेरी गुड. 20 swings, then hold, then anterior and posterior. ब्यूटीफुल. चलिए सब जने होल्ड करेंगे विद द स्ट्रेट स्पाइन. स्पाइन को बिल्कुल सीधा रख के, ग्लूट एंगेज, स्पाइन सीधा, शोल्डर पुश टुवर्ड्स द फ्लोर एंड वी होल्ड. यहां पे होल्ड करना है सब जने. देखिए ऐसा. एल्बोज ऑन द एज राजेश जी, जितना हो सकता है. 3, 2, 1, होल्ड इट. वेरी गुड. 10. शोल्डर और खोलेंगे पूर्णिमा. वेरी गुड. हाँ, पोस्टीरियर टाइट करो. शोल्डर पूरा फ्लोर की तरफ लो जितना मैक्सिमम होता है. 9, 8. ग्लूट एंगेज रखो, ग्लूट एंगेज रखो, ग्लूट एंगेज रखो. नीस थोड़ा पीछे रहा. 7, 6. लुक फॉरवर्ड और लुक अप. 5, 4, 3, 2 एंड 1. वेरी गुड. चलिए सब अपना अपना अलाइनमेंट एक बार आओ, चेक करवाता हूँ. हमें चाहिए कि हम स्ट्रेट स्पाइन रख पाए 30-40 सेकेंड्स. ये देख रहे हैं आप, एकदम सीधा स्पाइन है. अब ये कितना किस किस का इतना अच्छा आ रहा है. अर्चना ऑलमोस्ट, थोड़ा सा पेल्विक खुला हुआ है. रिब केज से और खींचो, रिब केज से और खींचो. हिमांशु वेरी गुड, नॉट बैड. थोड़ा सा अगेन चेस्ट और रिब केज से और खींचा जा सकता है. राधा नॉट बैड, अच्छा है. हाथ सीधा रख सकते हो ऊपर वाला. विनीता थोड़ा सा और रिब केज से एंगेजमेंट चाहिए. बाकी अच्छा है, देखो यहाँ पे छोटू सा कर्व आता है. राइट. पूर्णिमा पूरा विजिबल नहीं है, बट ठीक है. शोल्डर ओपनिंग अच्छी है आपकी, डेफिनेटली यू हैव अ फ्लेक्सिबल शोल्डर, बट मैं पूरा नहीं देख पा रहा हूँ तो आई कांट चेक द होल. लुक्स गुड. प्रिया नॉट बैड. वेरी नाइस. अगेन आई कांट सी द होल थिंग, बट वट एवर आई कैन सी लुक्स रियली गुड. ये हाथ सीधा है, यू एबल टू लुक अप. रिस्ट एल्बो शोल्डर स्पाइन लुकिंग गुड, स्ट्रेट. गुड जॉब. चलिए दोस्तों, लेट्स गो वन एल्बो एट अ टाइम, वन शोल्डर एट अ टाइम. ध्यान से देखना. Same, we will use the same length, same thing, everything is the same, but this time we go on one elbow. ये इस हाथ को शोल्डर के ऊपर रखेंगे, so this is I'm going with the right hand. You open it like this. Only one side. One. You can keep the hand on the floor as well like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whole weight should be on the right side, okay? The whole weight should be on the right side. Let's say for 10 each side. H पे रखा एंड पूरा वेट रखा लेफ्ट पे एंड ओपन. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you can hold the weight and posterior tight, you try this as well. Check. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. पूरा वेट एल्बो पे, जो एल्बो आप यूज कर रहे हो, ठीक है. पूरा वेट उस हाथ पे आने दो. तो प्रेस करो शोल्डर को फ्लोर की तरफ. एवरीवन फील्स इट. वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. ध्यान से देखिए, हिमांशु इज डूइंग द सेम थिंग विदाउट रेस्टिंग द अदर हैंड ऑन द फ्लोर. इट्स डिफिकल्ट, हाँ. बट हिमांशु जो हाथ है वो शोल्डर के ऊपर चाहिए. हाँ, हाथ ऊपर ही है, बराबर. ये थोड़ा ना, हाथ यहां से यहां जाने लगता है. शोल्डर एक्सटर्नल रोटेशन होना शुरू हो जाता है. इसको इंटरनली बना के रखिएगा. शोल्डर को इंटरनली बना के रखिएगा और यहां से खींचना है पीछे, विच इज डिफिकल्ट. ओपन करने के बाद तो स्पेस बन जाएगा. चलिए, एम फॉर 8 to 10 ईच शोल्डर और मे बी 30 seconds ईच शोल्डर. वेरी गुड राधा, गुड ट्राई. फील हुआ शोल्डर पे, फील हुआ राधा. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड विनीता. पूरा वेट लेफ्ट पे और राइट पे, जो भी आप हाथ यूज कर रहे हो, विच एवर हैंड यू आर यूजिंग. एवरीवन फील इट. Finish it, rest it out, shoulder rotations. Make sure you're feeling light in your shoulders now. We'll go for one last shoulder opening and then we start the handstand. I'll show you from the side angle. Chaliye, we'll use the wall for this one. Hands in line with the hip, hands in line with the hip like this, okay? We go on. Right? Posterior tight. Don't open your pelvic like this. Posterior tight. And then you here. This is level 1. Okay? Level 2 is going with one arm. So I'm pushing up my left hand and right hand is going all the way like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's aim for 6 to 8 each hand. अंदर जाओ अर्चना, पाँव पाँव पकड़ने की कोशिश करो, हील से पकड़ने की कोशिश करो, हील पकड़ने की कोशिश करो, हाथ से प्रेस करके रखो। हाँ, रीच करो, रीच करो और रीच करो, हील तक जाओ। हिमांशु वेरी गुड, शोल्डर खोलो, हील तक जाने की कोशिश करो। यस यस यस, एंड प्रेस विद द हैंड एंड प्रेस विद द शोल्डर। अगर आप में से किसी को स्ट्रेच फील नहीं हो रहा है, इफ यू नॉट फीलिंग द स्ट्रेच, जस्ट टेल मी, आई विल कम इन वॉच यू। इफ यू फीलिंग द स्ट्रेच, वेरी गुड। हाथ से प्रेस, कीप प्रेसिंग विथ योर हैंड ऑन द वॉल दोस्तों, कीप प्रेसिंग विथ योर हैंड ऑन द वॉल एंड देन रीच। विनीता, डू यू फील इट? आई थिंक यू फीलिंग इट। Very good. Open the shoulder first and then reach with the hand. Very nice. 6 each hand दोस्तों. Very good Radha. Keep pressing. Very good. Hold the heel. Ankle hold करने की कोशिश करो. Try to hold the ankle. Very good. चलिए 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. चलिए लेट इट आउट, रिलैक्स, आराम से बैठिए। 3 exercise for good alignment and stability for the shoulder. The first one is the scapula push-up. Those who are not getting it from the handstand right now, will do it from the chair. Okay? I'll show you from the front angle. Watch it. So you go to your plank position on the elevation, drop and up. When I'm going drop, my shoulder blades are touching. My shoulder blades are touching here, right? So I'm looking for a full range of motion. And when I'm going up, my spine is hinging. Okay? Here, drop, up. If this feels good, you wanna go down, inside, you wanna come inside. Drop, press, inside. Drop, press, inside. Drop, press. Find your spot where you feel good engagement, aim for 20. If you can do the same thing in your handstand, I want to see it in the handstand. 20 reps again. चलो, जिन्होंने पहले किया है हैंडस्टैंड में, वो हैंडस्टैंड में जाएंगे प्लीज। वेरी गुड। हिप ड्रॉप नहीं होना चाहिए अर्चना, पोस्टीरियर टाइट, हिप एंगेज्ड। When you're moving your shoulder, you're only moving your shoulder. If you feel your hip and your core and your legs are dropping, that means you're not engaging them enough. Only shoulder should move. विनीता अच्छा है, अच्छा है, अच्छा है। क्लोजर टू द वॉल आके लगाओ। राजेश जी अच्छा है। लेग स्ट्रेट रखेंगे तो डिफिकल्ट है दोस्तों, लेग बेंड रखोगे तो इजी है। राधा अंदर आने की कोशिश करो, हिप को और शोल्डर के ऊपर लेके जाओ जितना हो सकता है। पूर्णिमा फॉर यू एज वेल, यू आर डूइंग कैट एंड काउ। पूर्णिमा यू आर डूइंग कैट एंड काउ, इट्स नॉट वर्किंग।
Hmm?
यू आर डूइंग कैट एंड काउ पूर्णिमा, वी आर नॉट डूइंग कैट एंड काउ। We're going up and down from the shoulder, up and down from the shoulder. जिनको नहीं आ रहे राधा, this is the rep. Very good राधा. हिमांशु इट्स वेरी गुड. हाथ थोड़ा सा पास में आ सकता है. हिमांशु वेट और हाथ पे लो, वेट और हाथ पे लो. वॉल पे लीन नहीं करो. लेट्स सी दामोदर. प्रिया वेरी गुड. Go down, 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 and press back up. Very good. You're moving your neck. Don't move your neck. And you are taking the whole weight on one shoulder. Priya, you're leaning towards your right hand more. You're looking this from the front angle. You're not straight. You're here. Let me show you. I was about to take your picture, but then you came down. Watch me. This is also one of the key problem, everyone. That's why we keep two angles. Watch it. So Priya is using right hand more than the left. So her handstand is looking like this. More lean to the right and not in the center. Do you see? Press equally from both the hands, okay? Chaliye. Everyone 20 drop, 20 done. Let's see once Priya. Priya, show me. When you look Priya from the side angle, everything looks good. When you look from the front angle, you can spot, That's why we need two angles. It really helps. Very good. Yes, but go for it. Much better. Don't lean your legs towards the wall when you come down. That's the key here. Yes. Now slide up. The hip is also going up and down. It's not going forward, backward. Much better. Chale. Everyone gets it. Everyone gets it. Koi confusion, any confusion you can ask. Otherwise, we go for the second exercise. Shall we go for the second one? All right. The second exercise is the shoulder tap. Again, you start from the chair. If the chair is feeling comfortable, we definitely want you to try on the handstand. Okay? Watch it. If you're doing it from the floor, start from here. Core engage, spine straight, tap, tap. अंदर आते जाओ, tap, tap. Okay? Same thing in the handstand. You can either do it from the straddle as well, slightly easier. With the straight leg, slightly difficult. Up all the way. Touch. 1, 2. I'm going left to right this time. Okay? Goal is to go left to right. Again, forward, backward नहीं आना चाहिए. Forward, backward नहीं होना चाहिए. I'm aiming for the left to right range of motion. Okay? You can try it from here as well. Chalo. Aim for 30 this one. Chalo. Very good. 30 in one round if you can. वेरी गुड. हाथ अंदर आने देना राधा. हाथ बाहर नहीं लेके जाना. टैप करके अंदर आओ. यस. डिफिकल्ट होगा जितना अंदर रखेंगे. पूर्णिमा यू आर डूइंग गुड. जस्ट लॉक योर नीज. पोस्टीरियर टाइट राजेश जी. पेल्विक खुल जा रहा है आपका. यस. प्रिया फॉर यू एज वेल. पोस्टीरियर टाइट. पेल्विक इज ओपनिंग. Very good. One rep at a time. Do it slow and control. You can go 2 rounds. No worries. If you're doing in the handstand, do it in 2 rounds. No problem. But do it right. See, watch. See, slow and control. थोड़ा legs और lock होंगे विनीता. Lock your legs a little more. Only toes on the wall. Knees release. Yes. Slow and control. See, one rep at a time. Very good, Radha. Good job. Good job. Radha is trying from the handstand. See, this is also good. No problem. Right? You can try it from here. Archana, आया? आया.
Sir couldn't try from the handstand but did it with the chair.
बट हैंडस्टैंड से आया कि नहीं? चेयर वाला ऐसी
No,
हैंडस्टैंड नहीं आ रहा है.
handstand I could not release my hand at all.
Stay a little away from the wall and try if you can do it. See, Radha is able to do. Radha, can you show us again one more time? She's not that high, but she's like a plank position, but she's able to do the shoulder taps. See. So more distance from the wall, you feel less weight on the hands, and probably you'll be able to do. Try. Last one after this, dosto. Try from here. See. Now keep walking inside. One small step inside. Tap in, tap in, tap in. Yes. Tap in. Yes, yes, yes. That's your spot. That's your spot. Give me 5 more. Now, don't go more in. It will be difficult. Yes, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Slow and control. 2. Jaldi jaldi nahi karna. Very good. Do 3 each side if 5 is too difficult. But do very good 3, like very good 3. Chal, everyone is good. Shall we go for the last one?
Yes.
The last one is the wall walk. Now, for advanced students who are already holding handstand for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, I want you to go left and right and forward, backward both for 1 minute. Those who are still working on the walks only, with the chair, without the chair, 1 minute without a break. Watch it. So, the easiest version, I'll give you 3 levels. The easiest one is this one. Walk, 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 and walk. This is the easiest one. Okay? Level 2 is from here. Walk as close as you can and walk back. Without a break, I'm going back again. Okay? And the difficult version is go all the way in, sideways, walk back, walk forward, and then walk back again. Okay? So basically, you're moving on the wall for a minute. चलो. अच्छा, एक और लेवल बताऊं क्या? This one is for Vinita, Himanshu, Rajesh. This is spicy, huh? Watch it. This one is really spicy. ब्लॉक पे लगाएंगे. पहले तो ब्लॉक के ऊपर चढ़ना डिफिकल्ट. ब्लॉक के ऊपर चढ़ना डिफिकल्ट होगा आपके लिए. If you can go from side angle, you can enter from the side angle like this. Here. Okay? Take the way out, out, in, in. Side change. Out, out, in. ये डिफिकल्ट है दोस्तों. प्रेस करके ऊपर आना डिफिकल्ट. ठीक है? चलो. ट्राई करो. जिन बच्चों का 2 मिनट हैंडस्टैंड होल्ड आता है, कैन ट्राई दिस वन. चलिए, टाइम स्टार्ट. आ जाओ. टेन. वॉक फॉरवर्ड पूर्णिमा होल्ड नहीं करना है. आप 1 मिनट तक वॉक करते रहोगे. लेफ्ट राइट, राइट लेफ्ट, फॉरवर्ड बैकवर्ड. कीप वॉकिंग. 25. अर्चना वेरी गुड. 1 मिनट की बात हुई थी. वेरी गुड प्रिया. 40 seconds. 20 मोर. टाइमर लगा के जाओ विनीता. टाइमर तो लगाओ. चलो. 10 more, 10 more, 10 more. Five, four, three, two, one. Rajesh ji. It's difficult, no? It's difficult. It is difficult. आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ। विनीता आया?
नहीं सर,
नहीं आया?
केवल वॉक।
कोई बात नहीं, अभी साइड वॉक्स करो जो प्रिया जी लगा रहे थे ना। वॉक फ्रॉम योर लेफ्ट टू राइट, राइट टू लेफ्ट, लेफ्ट टू राइट, राइट टू लेफ्ट। स्लोली इट विल कम। चलिए एवरीवन, शोल्डर रोटेशन. That can also be a thing because if the block has resistance, like a you can press and it goes inside, then you won't be able to gather the full strength. So a wooden block would be a very good, or a cork block would be a very good idea. Also, handstand has their own blocks. This one is slightly difficult than the handstand blocks because the handstand blocks are smaller. So the grip is better as well, So you can really grip it nicely. You're able to generate more strength from the shoulder. Basically, if you have a good grip, you feel more strong. Yes, Archana, strong. शोल्डर रोटेशंस. चलिए थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेच लगाते हैं, कूल डाउन करते हैं शोल्डर्स का, और फिर हैंडस्टैंड अलाइनमेंट बैलेंस पे काम करेंगे. अरे द फर्स्ट स्ट्रेच दैट आई वांट यू टू ट्राई इज दिस वन. बटरफ्लाई में आएंगे, राइट हैंड से लेफ्ट, लेफ्ट हैंड से राइट पकड़ेंगे ऐसे. ठीक है. यहां से पहला गोल ये है कि आप एल्बोस को सीधा करने की कोशिश करो. एल्बो स्ट्रेट. जब एल्बो स्ट्रेट हो जाए तब फॉरवर्ड बेंड में आने की कोशिश करेंगे और नीज को फ्लोर की तरफ लेके जाएंगे. फॉरवर्ड को फ्लोर पे रखेंगे, फील द स्ट्रेच इन द शोल्डर एंड होल्ड. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 एंड 1. एक बार फिर से देखेंगे. हैंड स्विच कीजिए पहले. राइट हैंड लेफ्ट पे रखा था पहले, तो फिर लेफ्ट हैंड राइट पे रखेंगे ऐसे. ठीक है. फिर ऐसे आप कीप योर नीज क्लोज फर्स्ट, then open them until the elbows are locked. Once the elbows are locked, you're going to go down for the downward dog or a forward bend. Then hold for 10, 9, 8, 7. ऊपर से पकड़ो अर्चना, शोल्डर पे स्ट्रेच ही नहीं आएगा. नी से पकड़ो, यहां से नहीं पकड़ो, ऊपर से पकड़ो. 5. उतना ही ओपन करो जितना हो रहा है. अगर डिफिकल्ट है तो यहां रखो. शोल्डर पे स्ट्रेच फील करो. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Raise your hand. You felt the stretch. किस किस को stretch feel हुआ? Those who felt the stretch, give me a thumbs up. Okay, cool. Number 2, left hand, little finger. Okay, so my left hand is holding like this. I'm holding the leg like this. Okay, from the little finger. From here, stretch number 1. The first part is to lock it here. Some of you already feel the stretch in your shoulder. Okay, those who can, heels down and pull. So the leg is going this side and the spine is going the other way. I have to create a counter tension here. So like this. Now at this point, my shoulder, my scapula, everything is engaged and I'm feeling a nice stretch here. Break it down if you can to go more deep. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Give me a thumbs up. Do you feel the stretch? Do you feel the stretch? चलिए फ्रंट से दिखाता हूँ मैं. सेम थिंग. साइड से लेफ्ट, राइट हैंड, लेफ्ट लेग like this. Lock first, then you go down and pull. You can keep your hands here. You can also keep your hands here. चलिए 10, hands more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Vinita, any issue? 3, 2 and 1. Everyone felt it? सबको फील हुआ? चलो लास्ट वन. विनीता, ऑल गुड? फील हुआ स्ट्रेच? चलो लास्ट वन. Watch it here. Don't go too deep here. Keep it from the elbows only, or rather forearms. Okay? Forearm को रखेंगे नी के ऊपर. This is my right hand on the left knee. And then from here you're gonna go forward. This left hand, watch it. Hold the toe here. I'm already feeling the stretch here, दोस्तों. Okay? Now from here, how to go deep? You press your toe towards the floor. And that's the stretch. 2. It's really good. 3. Watch it from the front, from the side, sorry. Here, this is my left leg, right forearm. Right just to the next to the elbow, okay? From here, this is already a good stretch. Then I want to hold my toe with my right hand, okay? From here, I am pressing the toe towards the floor and going deep into the shoulder stretch. 1, 2, 3. Aim for 6 to 8 each shoulder. Again, मुझे thumbs up दिखाओ अगर stretch नहीं feel हो रहा है. Again, Priya, the placement of the elbow is not good. Watch it. You have to place this part next to the elbow towards the forearm, not towards the triceps, towards the forearms. Here, okay? Next to the elbow, the forearm part, okay? Here. Then you can go really deep. Alright? Make sure the elbows are not bending the elbows. You have to keep it straight. Then you go. You feel this. More distance between the leg. Don't tuck too close. Keep distance here so you can place it nicely. And then you go.
I'm still don't get the right place. I think.
The placement is nice. Can you keep the hand straight? Yes. You're bending the elbows, Priya. Don't bend your right elbow. Now the placement is good. Don't change the placement. Just keep your elbows long. Archana, you're opening the knee. Toe push towards the floor. Okay, let's do the simple one. Let's not complicate things. Just do it simply. Keep it here, go down and hold here. Do you feel the stretch here? Give me a thumbs up if you feel it here. You feel it here? Let's do this only. Those who are getting it nicely, the placement is all good. Hold the toe. And I want the toe to push the floor. I don't want this. The stretch will go. Hold the leg. Push the toe towards the floor. Only the toe. So as I'm going this, I feel more deep here. Purnima, you're feeling it? You cannot feel it because the placement is not good. Watch Purnima. Watch. Watch everyone. Watch Purnima is doing. Purnima is doing. Keeping the hands on top. How can you feel the stretch from here? The hand needs to go inside.
सर समझ नहीं आया.
All the versions but the right one.
सर वापस बता दीजिए.
हाँ, हाथ इधर नहीं रखना है. नीचे के नीचे नहीं रखना है.
यहाँ से ही निकाला था सर मैंने पहले.
नी के ऊपर बोला मैंने. नी के ऊपर ऐसे रखो हाथ को. यहाँ नहीं रखो, ऐसे हाथ रखो ऐसे.
ये
फ्रंट मेरे एंगल से दिखाओ आप. जिस एंगल से मैं कर रहा हूँ उसी एंगल से दिखाओ. हाँ. नहीं, एल्बो. पूर्णिमा ध्यान से देखो, मैं ये नहीं कर रहा हूँ. एल्बो ऐसे सीधे बैठे और ऐसे एल्बो रखो. सिंपल. अभी ऐसे आगे झुको. सिंपल.
सर अब सही है.
नहीं है, नी के अंदर जाओ. ओह, पूर्णिमा ऐसे नहीं. आपको दिख रहा है मैं?
हाँ.
तो ये मैंने यहाँ रखा है, आप यहाँ क्यों रख रहे हो?
यहाँ
रखो ना. अभी आपका यहाँ रखा हुआ है, देखो. मैं यहाँ रख रहा हूँ. एल्बो फोरआर्म. हाँ, अब आगे देखो. बिना एल्बो को बेंड किए हाथ सीधा रखो. आप रिस्ट तक चले गए, आप यहाँ तक चले गए. चलो छोड़ ही दो, ये छोड़ ही दो. दूसरा बताता हूँ. छोड़ देते, मैं भूल जाऊंगा नहीं तो. ऐसे हाथ रखो, ऐसे नीचे आओ, होल्ड करो. दोनों हाथ पास में रखते हुए ऐसे नीचे आओ, होल्ड करो. चलो 10 9. हिप आगे लेके जाओ जितना हो सकता है. 8. लास्ट वन दोस्तों, हैंडस्टैंड शुरू करेंगे. 7 6. हाँ, हिप और आगे लेके जाओ. पूर्णिमा शोल्डर फ्लोर टच करना है, ऐसा सोचो. यस. और आगे जाओ, और आगे जाओ, और आगे जाओ. प्रिया, हिप फॉरवर्ड, हिप फॉरवर्ड. देयर इज नो स्ट्रेच हियर. हिप फॉरवर्ड, हिप फॉरवर्ड. आई वांट यू टू ट्राई एंड टच द शोल्डर ऑफ द फ्लोर. वॉच इट एवरीवन. इट्स नॉट अ स्ट्रेच हियर. हियर. Bring your hips forward and shoulders down towards the floor. Hold it here. 10 9 8. Elbows lock and straight. 7 6 5 4 3, 2 and 1. Rest it up. चलिए रिलैक्स. हैंड स्टैंड शुरू करते हैं दोस्तों. फर्स्ट राउंड सिंपल स्ट्रेट लाइन होल्ड. सबको आता है, सबको आता है. एवरीवन नो द स्ट्रेट लाइन होल्ड. Simple straight line hold. You can go as close as you can from the wall. The goal is to go. Radha, you can do it. Last round, class, you are doing it. Yes. ठीक है दोस्तों. I'll give you a 30-second quick break if you want to have a sip of water, want to use the washroom. We start together, we finish together. I'm coming back in 30 seconds. चलिए दोस्तों, let's go. We start together and we finish together. Straight line handstand hold in 5, 4, 3. Everyone, hands on the floor, legs on the wall. 2 and 1. Chalo. We're aiming for a 1 good minute here. 1 good minute here. Time start. चलो राधा, टाइम स्टार्ट हो गया, फटाफट. 10. पूर्णिमा, टाइम स्टार्ट हो गया, जल्दी शुरू करो. जो उन लोगों ने लेट शुरू किया है वो 10 सेकेंड एक्स्ट्रा रुकेंगे. 20. वेरी गुड हिमांशु. वेट शिफ्टिंग पे ध्यान दो, फिंगर्स पे वेट लेते हुए स्विच करो. विनीता, राजेश जी, लेग स्विच अगर ट्राई करना चाहो तो कर सकते हैं, बट नीचे नहीं आना है और वेट हाथ पे रखना है. ठीक है, वॉल पे लीन नहीं होना चाहिए. 15 मोर सेकेंड्स. अर्चना, वेरी सॉलिड हैंड स्टैंड. इधर ही पकड़ के रखो, बैलेंस अलाइनमेंट बिगाड़ो नहीं. पूर्णिमा, बेली टुवर्ड्स द वॉल जाते हैं हम. नीचे आओ, वापस जाओ. बेली टुवर्ड्स द वॉल जाके दिखाओ. 5, 4, 3. पोस्टीरियर टाइट हिमांशु. 2 and 1. Come back.
सर ऐसे जाना है क्या?
यस, बेली टुवर्ड्स द वॉल, वॉक करते हुए. वो थोड़ा एंगल ठीक करो. आप ऐसे अंदर जाओगे तो मुझे दिखेगा ही नहीं. थोड़ा वॉल की तरफ लेके जाओ मुझे. चलिए एवरीवन, शोल्डर रोटेशंस. हाँ, जाएंगे जाएंगे, जितना क्लोज जा सकते हो जाओ, जितना क्लोज जा सकते हैं जाएंगे. वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस पूर्णिमा, अच्छा है. होल्ड करो इधर ही. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. हाथ पे वेट लीजिए जितना हो सकता है. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. चलो अच्छा है. टाइम और स्पेंड करना है पूर्णिमा. अलाइनमेंट खराब नहीं है, बट टाइम और स्पेंड करना है. चलिए ध्यान से देखिए दोस्तों. नेक्स्ट वन. सिंगल लेग तक लगाएंगे. 1 elbow डिस्टेंस. नाउ पहले मैं बताता हूं कैसे लगाना है. दोज हु आर डूइंग इट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम और नॉट यूज्ड टू इट. जो लोग यूज्ड टू हैं, हिमांशु, विनीता, राजेश जी, आप मुझे लेग रिलीज भी करके दिखाएं. ठीक है, ध्यान से. 1 elbow डिस्टेंस. और ये ब्लॉक यूज कर सकते हैं हम लोग. लेवल 1 ऑलरेडी दिस देयर इज अ स्लैब हियर, सो लेवल 2 और लेवल 3 व्हाटएवर वर्क्स फॉर यू. लेवल 3 से शुरू करते हैं. इट्स अ गुड आइडिया. ठीक है, इट्स अ गुड डिस्टेंस. यहां पे आए, स्ट्रेट लाइन में होल्ड किया. और एक लेग को अंदर आने दो. 1, गो बैक. 2, गो बैक. ठीक है. अगर बहुत डिफिकल्ट है तो थोड़ा दूर रह सकते हो. ठीक है. 3, सॉक्स पहनो और स्लाइड करो. 4, अपर बॉडी नहीं हिलना चाहिए. ठीक है. चलिए ध्यान से देखिए. विनीता, हिमांशु, फॉर यू. वन लेग स्ट्रेट एंड देन स्लाइड and then release if you can. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and go back. Okay. One leg straight, second leg slide, release and home. 3, 2, 1 and go back. ठीक है. चलो. Let's see. चलिए. जिनका लेग रिलीज हो रहा है, आई विल कम एंड चेक यू पर्सनली. आ जाओ. आई एम पुटिंग यू ऑन म्यूट. जिसको कोई कंफ्यूजन है, जस्ट रेज हैंड एंड कम. डोंट गो टू क्लोज टू द वॉल. द स्लाइड विल बी डिफिकल्ट. सॉक्स पहनोगे तो स्लाइड विल बी इजियर. थोड़ा और नीचे आएगा, नी और नीचे आएगा हिमांशु. 90 डिग्री यहां रखो. दोनों लेग्स लॉक करो. सब जने याद रखो, हम लोगों ने स्टार्टिंग में एक्सरसाइज की थी लेग मसल्स की. मसल्स कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड रखने का याद रखो. चलो राधा, एक लेग इन. वेरी गुड एंड गो बैक. एम फॉर मिनिमम 5 ईच लेग राधा. टोज रोल करके रखोगे तो और अच्छा है. सॉक्स पहनो. दाम प्रिया, यू आर नॉट डूइंग इट राइट. हाँ, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. दिस इज मच बेटर. दिस इज मच बेटर. 1, 2, very good job. Give me 5 minimum each leg. Good try. The leg which is the straight leg needs more awareness, Priya. When you're moving the second leg, the straight leg is moving too much. Yes, hold that leg strong. Very good. राजेश जी, गुड जॉब. बट रिलीज नहीं आ रहा है. रिलीज नहीं आ रहा है. Priya, you're doing it good. The leg, the straight leg is moving too much. Try to hold that straight. Let's see, Vinita. Slide in, slide in, slide in, slide in. See the upper leg. The upper leg is not straight, right? It's slightly bent and not top of the hip. Hip के ऊपर रहना चाहिए, Vinita. The straight leg needs to be on top of the hip. Yes. Yes, Vinita. Now shift your weight. Release, release, release. Vinita, release. I want you to release the leg. Come on. Leg straight, toes pointed. Everything is good. Release. Come on. See, the alignment is perfect here. The release is the problem. वेट शिफ्ट करो विनीता. कम डाउन. वेट शिफ्ट और करो. राजेश जी, योर टर्न. विनीता, योर अलाइनमेंट इज सो ब्यूटिफुल, बट यू स्टिक टू द वॉल. गेट रिड ऑफ द वॉल.
सर रिलीज करा था दूसरे वाले उसमें, बट टैप, इट वाज लाइक अ टैप.
Yeah, but the weight was still on the wall. The thing is, you have to get the weight on the hands, on the fingertips. ध्यान से देखते. राजेश जी का भी अलाइनमेंट अच्छा है. लेग रिलीज पे ध्यान देते. लेग रिलीज पे. सी, ही इज मच मोर लाइटर ऑन द वॉल देन यू. इनका प्रॉब्लम ये है कि लेग रिलीज करके वापस वॉल पे भाग जाते हैं. ये नी पहले रिलीज करेंगे राजेश जी, फिर लास्ट में थंब रिलीज करेंगे. वापस आओ, वापस आओ, अंदर आओ. पहले नी रिलीज करो, फिर धीरे से थंब रिलीज करो. फिंगर्स पे वेट करो. फिंगर से ग्रिप करो. फिंगर से ग्रिप करो. वहीं पे स्टेबल रहना है. आ जाओ, आ जाओ, आ जाओ. इट्स कंफ्यूजिंग राइट नाउ. कोई बात नहीं. चलो राधा, राधा सॉक्स पहन के आओ. मैं इस पे फिर देखूंगा. सॉक्स पहन के आओ. अर्चना, डू यू हैव सॉक्स? आई वॉन्ट यू टू स्लाइड, नॉट टक. हाँ, स्लाइड करना है. राधा देखो एक बार. स्लाइड करना है हमको. मिनिमम 2 राउंड लगाएंगे दोस्तों. विनीता जी, राजेश जी, आपको लेग रिलीज ट्राई करना है. ये पाँव ज्यादा खुल गया. अर्चना, पाँव ज्यादा खुल गया है. सीधा रखो इसको बिल्कुल यहाँ पे. वेरी गुड. स्लाइड करके दिखाओ अभी. 5. हाँ, थोड़ा सा और दूर रहो वॉल के. आप ज्यादा क्लोज चले गए हो. थोड़ा सा और दूर रहो. चलो पूर्णिमा, योर्स. हाँ, टोज रोल करो. आपने टोज को रोल नहीं रखा है. 1. हाँ, नाउ नाउ गो. 1. राधा, दिस इज व्हाट वी आर लुकिंग फॉर. 2. वेरी गुड. पूर्णिमा, सेम थिंग. 1 step क्लोजर टू द वॉल. सेम थिंग. 1 step क्लोजर. Priya, the upper leg is still not intact. अपर लेग को हिप के ऊपर रखना सीखो. We need to keep the straight leg on top of the hip. That is something that you need to be aware of. चलो राधा, toes roll. Toes roll, both the toes roll. Now bring one leg in. One, very good. Go back. Aim for 6 each side, Radha. Very good job. Himanshu, let's see. Priya, watch. See, the upper leg is straight. Are, wow, Himanshu, you killed it. Very good. Give me 5 seconds, Himanshu. Come on. Himanshu, everything is good. You need to aim for 3 seconds. So when you release, you grip, and your goal is to hold for more time. Don't go back to back. The body is not going to the wall. With Rajesh ji, body goes back to the wall. He needs to hold it. For you, you're going with the leg. There is a difference. Right? You don't need to tap now. The whole weight is on the hand. You just need to release. And if you lose balance, you go back, you know. Small break, we go again. Yes. Ek ek karke, ek ek karke. Radha, you go first.
Can I just ask a quick question?
Yeah. Radha first and then you go Priya. Yes, Radha.
So when the toes are rolled, I'm unable to grip with the wall. What is the
The reason is the body weight. So when you're leaning too much on the wall, there is too much weight, so it's hard to move. The reason we want you to keep the toes rolled so that you learn to take more weight on the hands. So when you're not able to move, you feel stuck. The body weight is too much on the wall. So you shift the weight on the hands and you feel lighter to move. Right? So it helps you keep more weight on the hand. That's why. If it is super difficult, do it with the tuck. But I saw you doing sliding. It's difficult right now, but it will get easier. Shift more weight on the hands. Shift more weight on the hands. Yes, Priya?
Am I too close to the wall?
Come again.
Am I starting too close to the wall?
Do you feel like it?
Yeah, I think so because
See, the distance from the wall will vary from person to person depending upon the shoulder opening and the hip opening, right? So if you feel you are too close to the wall, just go for 1 inch away from the wall and see if you feel more lighter. Okay, let's give it a go. Let me watch. The focus should be, Priya, the leg which is in the air, the straight leg which is in the air should not move when you slide. That's the key. Because
I
that
don't know
leg is
what
moving.
that leg is doing.
The straight leg should not move. That should be the key for you. Okay?
But I'm not conscious of that leg at all. I don't know what it's doing. I'm just like don't have that connection.
It's awareness. Posterior tight and go. Let me record yours. Everyone,
Okay.
please watch if you're resting, Priya. Now you're slightly away from the wall. Keep this leg straight. Yes. Now the straight leg should not move. Under balance, more under balance. Now this is the spot for you. Hold it here. Right. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go back. Switch leg. See, now it certainly feels more comfortable. Leg straight, and you're able to hold the leg as well. Under balance the straight leg. Under balance the straight leg. Under balance. Very good. Hold it here. Now shift weight. Very good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch leg one more time. Each leg 5 seconds. Vinita, Rajesh ji, Himanshu, we need this rep today. Come on, guys. एक round और try करो. Priya, everything was perfect. You just need to go more closer to the wall. It will be more spicy because you need more shoulder opening and hip opening, right? But right now, for balance, this is a perfect spot. What you're looking for is more time. Okay? So right now we did 5 each side. Maybe you can go 2 rounds 5K, or maybe you can go 10 seconds each leg, you know. Take your time, relax, recover, and then we go. Chalo, Himanshu, your turn. Purnima, yours after this. Himanshu, very good. 5, 4, 3. Your upper leg is bending. The straight leg is bending. Yes. 3, 2, 1. And switch. Himanshu, you also go 1 inch away. You will feel a little more comfort leaving the wall. 1 inch away from where you are. Chalo. Last 2 minutes here. One more round I want to see. Purnima, let's see yours. Any confusion for this drill? Let me know. Otherwise, we move for the next one after 2 minutes. एक बार और try करना हो तो कर लो everyone. If you want to go one more round for the same drill, go for it. If you want me to come and check, raise your hand. Otherwise, we go for the next one. Very good. Release the second leg, Purnima. Bring one leg down and release the second leg. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Radha, watch it. I want you to try this. Slide one leg in and then release the second leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Purnima, can you give me 2 more each side? Acha, theek hai, you should be able to do 3 each leg. 5 seconds, you know. That should be the standard. Radha, you go. Everyone else, last 1 minute. If you want to do it, go for it. If you want me to come and check, let me know. Very good, Radha. Now press with your toe and release that leg. Very good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch leg and release. 3 each side आना चाहिए. राजेश जी ब्यूटीफुल ब्यूटीफुल स्पॉट. राजेश जी अच्छा आ रहा है, अच्छा आ रहा है. शोल्डर पुश करो वॉल की तरफ. यस एंड देन रिलीज. वेरी गुड राधा, गो अगेन. आई एम वॉचिंग. अर्चना, आई एम वॉचिंग. वेरी गुड. Don't be too close to the wall. The release will be slightly spicier. Radha, you did good. You need to go one step closer. Right now, we are not working on the balance. We are working on the alignment and the stability. For you, one step closer to the wall will give you more challenge. Archana, you are fully tucked towards the wall. पूरा वेट हाथ पे लो, पूरा वेट हाथ पे लो. नहीं, पाँव क्यों खोल रहे हो? हाथ पे वेट शिफ्ट करो. हाँ, ये अच्छा स्पॉट है. होल्ड इट हियर. लुक बिटवीन द हैंड्स एंड शिफ्ट द वेट ऑन द फिंगर्स. That's it. Hold it here. Press your toes. Hip a little away from the wall. Shoulder push. आ जाओ नीचे, आ जाओ नीचे, आ जाओ नीचे, आ जाओ. नहीं नहीं, अलाइनमेंट अच्छा नहीं, नीचे आ जाओ. देर आर टू मेनी वर्टिकल्स राइट नाउ. अगर मैं पेल्विक को बोलता हूँ मूव करने को, आपका शोल्डर हिलने लगता है. अगर मैं शोल्डर अंदर जाने को बोलता हूँ तो लेग खुलने लगता है. वन ऑफ द की पार्ट अबाउट हैंडस्टैंड इज द आइसोलेशन दोस्तों. इसके ऊपर हमको और अवेयरनेस, वी नीड मोर अवेयरनेस ऑन द आइसोलेशन पार्ट. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय आइसोलेशन? दैट मीन्स when we want shoulder to move, only the shoulder should move. When we want the pelvic to move, only the pelvic should move. Or we want the leg to go straight, only the leg to go straight, right? So we should be able to move all the joints independently. Does it make sense? There should not be any counter effect that requires a certain range of motion, mobility and strength. All part of it. आगे बढ़े दोस्तों. Shall we move forward? चलिए. ध्यान से देखिए. स्ट्रैडल लगाएंगे दोस्तों. As close as you can go to the wall. Toes roll on the wall and then slide. Vinita, Rajesh ji, those who have good control over the handstand, lightest on the wall. If you can release, Priya, if you can release, 3 seconds, go back. All the way up, down, release and hold, 2-3 seconds, go back, slide back. Those who are trying for the first time can do this. Watch it. 3 levels again. Level 1, simple hold. Level 1, jump up, open your legs and hold here. Hold here. Level 1. Level 2, go close. And hold here. Slide up if you can. Again, toes roll and go back. Okay? And level 3, release. 3, 2, 1. Go back. All the way up. Slide down. Go back. 3, 2, 1. If you get in 3 to 5 seconds, try straight line this way in the air. And then you can use the one. Okay? Check. So basically 4 levels. The 4th one is difficult. Chalo. Let's start with Himanshu only. Straight line to straddle. Toes roll. Socks pehno again. Slide karna easy hoga. Again, rather you will feel sliding is difficult. The more you shift the weight on the hands, the easier you will feel. Okay? Chalo, Himanshu, release. Legs lock. Muscle tight. 3, 2, 1. Go back. Yes. Acha, go slow in control. 3, 2, 1. Go back to the wall. Back to the wall. कोई बात नहीं. Himanshu, your goal is to have 5 reps. Or all 5 should have 3 second release, you know. छोटा break भी go again. चलो, Archana, yours. स्लाइड स्लाइड, क्लोजर क्लोजर जाओ, क्लोजर जाओ. यस, अच्छा है, अच्छा है, अच्छा है. वन स्टेप क्लोजर जाओ. अर्चना, सॉक्स नहीं है हमारे पास? लेके आओ ना सॉक. अरे ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है, घर में सॉक्स नहीं है?
I'm trying without the sock. Should I wear it again? Try
Socks will
again.
help you. I'm telling you, please bring your socks.
Sure, I'll just get it.
या सॉक्स लेके आओ, वापस जाएंगे. चलो, who's going next? Purnima, let's try. Vinita, your turn after this. I want leg release, Vinita. Huh? Very good one. Very good slide. You will only able to slide if the weight is on the hands. Otherwise, slide will not feel comfortable. If you can slide, that means you're taking enough weight on the hands. Radha, you're stuck. You're too much leaned on the wall. आ जाओ नीचे, आ जाओ नीचे, आ जाओ नीचे, आ जाओ. आ जाओ नीचे, आ जाओ. यस. क्या ऐसा टेढ़ा हो गया राधा? सीढ़ी नहीं होती स्टेयर केस, वैसा हो गया वो. इफ यू आर लाइक अ स्टेयर केस, इट विल बी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मूव टू मूव. यू हैव टू गेट द हिप ओवर द शोल्डर, सो द
Then
लेग
what
लाइटर.
to do?
शुड आई शो यू अगेन? या. Everyone, please watch. Those who are learning the straddle part right now, this is a key point for you to remember or to understand. Come close, everyone. Please come back to the camera. Even for those who are releasing the leg or trying to release the leg. Watch it. Weight shifting is the key part. You have to slide. You have to slide, keeping the weight on the upper body. So my legs are moving, but my upper body is stable. If you lean like this, it will be difficult for you to move. It will be difficult for you to move. Let me show you again, Dada. From the floor only, we are not going in the straight line. We are just doing this. Up, open, and step inside as much as you can. Try to get the hip over the shoulder. Try to get the hip over the shoulder. यहाँ नहीं आना, यहाँ डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा. राइट, हमको हिप को शोल्डर के ऊपर लेके आना है. ऊपर लेके आओ, ऊपर लेके आओ, ऊपर लेके आओ, जितना ऊपर आ सकते हैं. और यही होल्ड करो. अगर यहां से कंफर्टेबल लगता है तो टोज रोल करो. यहां से कंफर्टेबल लगता है तो स्लाइड करो. ठीक, चलिए, लेट्स गो. लेट्स सी प्रिया. Belly towards the wall. Belly towards the wall, Priya. Purnima, it's very good, huh? Better than the first round. Go one step closer to the wall, Priya. Purnima, you will feel much. It's slightly more difficult. But the more you go in, the better it will be for the handstand, for the shoulders. See, weight is too much on one leg. दोनों हाथ से press करो. Press with both the hands, Priya. Very good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go back again. Come back again. Everyone, बहुत बढ़िया है.
आ गया क्या?
Priya, everything in your rep is very good, but everything in your rep is very fast. So your alignment is good, your muscles are engaged, the leg is releasing automatically from the wall, which is the ideal case we want. We want the leg to go automatically release the wall. We don't have to push or throw the legs away from the wall. So yours is naturally happening because the alignment is really good. What you really need to do is to keep it the slowest step possible, and every single time you will get the balance. Okay. Chalo, who's going next? Vinita, your turn. Toes roll. Lock. Knees lock, yes. More weight on the hands as you slide down. More weight on the hands. Get your hip over the shoulder. Yes. Spine straight. Very good. Keep pushing the shoulder towards the wall. Very nice. Now fingers पे weight लेंगे, आगे बढ़ेंगे. Yes. Light test on the wall, Vinita. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All the way up and come back. बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है. हर बार थोड़ा और लाइट रखना है. Go again. Everyone, please watch. The upper body is stable. That's the key here. Release, release, release. Lightest on the wall. Come on, try release it. Release it, Vinita. Come on. 5, yes. 4. थोड़ा धक्का देना पड़ रहा है. Come back. Vinita, very good rep. Nothing to correct, but to improve is the weight shift और weight shift होगा. चलो, let's see राजेश जी. 10% और वेट शिफ्ट किया ना विनीता तो लेग रिलीज होगा एकदम अपने आप. एक बार प्रिया का देखते हैं इसके बाद. शी इज डूइंग रियली गुड. प्रिया, द सेकेंड एंगल इज नॉट गुड. समथिंग हैपेंड विथ योर कैमरा. कैन यू कीप द एंगल बेटर? द साइड एंगल इज नॉट गुड. द कैमरा एंगल parallel to the wall if you can, Priya. Parallel to the wall. This angle, yes, this one. Very good, Rajesh ji. Very good. Slowly. हाँ राजेश जी 3 सेकेंड. 3 सेकेंड नहीं हुआ था. कम ऑन. 3, 2, 1 एंड गो बैक. वेरी गुड. नंबर 3. टोज रोल कीजिए राजेश जी. टोज रोल नहीं है अभी भी. हाँ. नीज लॉक, मसल इंगेज, ग्लू टाइट. 3, 2, 1 and go back. Very good, Archana. Yes, it's good one. That was a good one. Chalo, Himanshu, yours. Let's see. Leg release, Himanshu. Come on. Toes roll, muscle tight. %5 more, Himanshu, and you have a balance. Yes. Go up and down. Yes, Himanshu. See? Very good. Everyone, please come back and do this stretch with me one more time. You remember this stretch we did? Himanshu, especially you, Priya. Himanshu, Priya, yours is good. But Himanshu, Rajesh, Vinita, this muscle engagement, you are missing it again. When you want to release, you want this legs to be extremely engaged. That's when you really release and the hip will stack, the leg will stack on the hip. Like this. We don't want this, we want really this, okay? So do this one more time. If you want, you can go here as well. Hold it here with this. This will be difficult for you. Hold it here. So for Priya, Rajesh, Vinita, Himanshu, this, everyone else, this. More tight and engaged, okay? You see these muscles are fully engaged. They are not rested like this. They are fully engaged, okay? Chalo. Let's do this one and then we go one more round. Chalo. Yes, Himanshu. This is how you should feel when you release the leg, okay? Remember this when you release. Radha, very sharp. Let's see, Priya. Now you're feeling it, Priya. Now the cramps are coming. Very good. Archana, very nice. Let's see, Purnima. Vinita, lift करो, lift करके दिखाओ. Himanshu, go for it. Rajesh ji, Himanshu, Priya, I want here. Yes. Chalo, Priya, lift it. 10, 9, 8. Now you're feeling the cramp. 7, 6, 5, 4. आगे आओ विनीता. हाथ आगे लो. दोनों हाथ के बीच में रखो. हाथ दोनों हाथ के बीच में रखो. दोनों लेग के बीच में. हाँ, यहां से लिफ्ट करो. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Relax. चलिए दोस्तों, shake your legs. Go back to the straddle. Let's see. Last one. Try to release. Anyone who wants me to come and check, let me know. Last round. Let's see once Priya, because her release is very aligned. Go for it. This is a good angle as well. Everyone, Himanshu, Vinita, Rajesh ji, एक बार रिलीज वाला पॉइंट देखिए कितना ईज के साथ रिलीज होता है. Then we try one last time. Those who are not releasing, also watch it. You will learn a lot. Slowly. See, the weight is already on the hands. All the weight is on the hands. The leg will release naturally. We can't see the legs, Priya. Let me give this another angle. Go for it, 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 go for it. I can put this other angle. Yeah. Much better. Go for it now. So she's a little closer than all of you guys. That also helps her. Requires more alignment, more range of motion, but the hip will naturally go over the head and the release will come. Right? The shoulder should not move forward. Rajesh, if you go closer and you try to release, your shoulders will go forward. That's where really need to work. She's able to hold the shoulder. Very good, yaar, Priya. Very good. Very good rep. चलिए दोस्तों, let's go. Good job, Priya. Aim is to go 3 reps, 5 seconds each. Really nice. The good part is you're very close to the wall, and when you slide down, the shoulder does not move forward. So very strong there. Good job. चलिए राजेश जी, आप भी ट्राई कीजिए. Slightly closer to the wall, but make sure the shoulder does not move forward, and the hip will go over the head. In posterior. Toes point, Himanshu, muscle engage. Yes, muscle engage, Himanshu, muscle engage. Same thing with the engaged leg, and you will feel the difference. Let's go. Same thing with the engaged leg, and you will feel the difference. Nice, Rajesh ji. I can't see if the leg is in the air or not. The angle is not good, but the alignment is really good. Shoulder को push करके रखिए और toe से press करते रहिए. Good job. चलिए, rest it out, everyone. Everyone is good. Everyone is feeling good. You want me to come and check, Purnima? Very good, Vinita. Let's go. Last 1 minute, dosto. I have another class. Last 1 minute. Very good, Vinita. This is very nice. This is what we look for. 3, 2, 1. Vinita, that's the way to be. Now it's a natural release. Very good. Very good. चलो, राधा, अर्चना, पूर्णिमा, लास्ट राउंड लगाना है तो लगाओ. वेरी गुड अर्चना, पूर्णिमा अच्छा है. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rest it out, relax. Feeling good, everyone? Any questions from the class today? Everything is good? Prayer करें? Shall we do the prayer? आइए. Sit in a cross leg position. Big inhale. Exhale. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Repeat after me. We practice for happiness. We practice for health. We practice to make this world a better place. We practice for consciousness. We practice for creators and creations. We practice to breathe in the life. Rub your hands, feel your energy between your palm. Take this energy to your eyes. Massage your eyes. Bow down to the mother and try to let you go around the throne. Come back up. Open your eyes. Open your bow and sit down. Big smile on your face and relax. Thank you so much for joining, everyone. I will see you in the next class. Have a great day ahead. Hope you enjoyed the practice today. Have a happy week ahead. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you.